Top 5 Best Camera for Beginners. Number 5. Sony Alpha A6400. The Sony Alpha A6400 is one of those cameras that quietly refuses to get old. Years after its release, it still feels like the smart traveler in the room, compact, capable, and rarely outmatched for the price. Its 24.2-pixel APS-C sensor delivers sharp, colorful images, while Sony's 425-point autofocus system remains one of the camera's strongest assets. Eye tracking is fast, reliable, and surprisingly forgiving, making it easy to capture moments that would otherwise slip away. Continuous shooting at up to 11 FPS adds even more confidence when subjects refuse to stay still. What makes the A6400 stand out is how much performance fits into such a small body. The lightweight design, built-in viewfinder, weather resistance, 4K video, and excellent compatibility with flashes make it a flexible travel companion. Even the often overlooked tests, producing crisp images with pleasing color and enough versatility for everyday shooting. The camera isn't perfect. Battery life is decent rather than impressive. High ISO performance can get noisy, and Sony's menu system feels like a puzzle designed by engineers. The flip-up screen also sits directly behind the hot shoe, which can be awkward for some setups. Still, the A6400 remains an outstanding value. Small enough to carry everywhere, powerful. Coming in number 4. Sony Alpha ZV-E10. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 feels like a camera built for creators who want without emptying their wallet. On the surface, it looks approachable and lightweight. Underneath, it hides performance that feels far more expensive than its price tag suggests. The 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor delivers rich detail, excellent color, and impressive dynamic range, while the oversampled 4K video looks sharp and clean without the mushy appearance often found in entry-level cameras. Sony's autofocus remains one of the biggest reasons to buy it. Subject tracking is fast, reliable, and confident, keeping faces and eyes locked in focus even when movement gets unpredictable. For vloggers, Sony included genuinely useful features instead of gimmicks. The product showcase mode instantly shifts focus from face to product, while the background defocus button creates a professional-looking separation with a single press. The fully articulating screen and simple USB live streaming setup make content creation remarkably straightforward. It works beautifully as a beginner-friendly point-and-shoot, yet accepts a huge range of lenses that can transform it into a serious photography or filmmaking tool. The lightweight body is comfortable for travel, and reports of overheating are surprisingly rare for a camera this compact. The plastic body feels more functional than premium, but the image quality, autofocus performance, and the ZV-E10 is less a starter camera and more a camera that keeps finding new ways to stay useful after the beginner stage is over. Coming in number 3. OM System Olympus EM10. The OM System Olympus EM10 Mark IV is proof that a camera doesn't need to be large to feel serious. Small enough to slip into a bag without a second thought, yet capable enough to keep photography enthusiasts engaged for years, it strikes a rare balance between portability and performance. The 20-megapixel sensor delivers vibrant colors, pleasing contrast, and noticeably improved image quality over earlier generations. Combined with Olympus' excellent 5-axis image stabilization, handheld shooting feels remarkably forgiving, whether capturing city streets at night or travel moments on the move. Autofocus is quick and dependable, while the compact Micro Four Thirds system offers access to a huge range of interchangeable lenses. For beginners, the EM10 Mark IV is welcoming rather than intimidating. The flip-down screen with dedicated selfie mode, Bluetooth connectivity, USB charges, and 4K video add convenience without overwhelming the experience. It can behave like a simple point-and-shoot one moment and a fully capable enthusiast camera the next. The trade-offs are relatively minor. The body feels less premium than some older Olympus models, the menu system lacks personality, and video features are aimed more at than professionals. What makes the EM10 Mark IV easy to recommend is its practicality. Lightweight, travel-friendly, and consistently enjoyable to use, it offers a smooth entry to interchangeable lens photography while leaving plenty of room. Coming in number 2. FUJIFILM X-T33. The FUJIFILM X-T33 feels like a camera designed to make photography fun again. In a world obsessed with endless editing and complicated workflows, This camera invites you to slow down, pick a film simulation, and simply enjoy taking photos. Its 26 megapixel APS-C sensor produces rich detail and beautiful color straight out of the camera. The standout feature is FUJIFILM's collection of 20 film simulations, which give images distinct character without requiring hours in editing software. From classic, nostalgic tones to vibrant modern looks, the results often feel finished the moment the shutter clicks. The vintage-inspired design is more than decoration. Dedicated controls make photography feel hands-on and engaging, while intelligent auto mode keeps things simple when speed matters. AI-powered autofocus tracks subjects confidently, making it easy to capture everything from family moments to everyday street scenes. Despite its retro charm, the X-T33 is thoroughly modern. It records detailed 6.2K video, connects easily to smartphones, and offers enough customization to satisfy growing photographers. Paired with a compact lens, it becomes an ideal everyday carry camera, small enough to bring everywhere, capable enough to justify. There is a slight learning curve for those coming from other camera systems, but that quickly fades. The X-T33 succeeds because it turns photography from a task back into a hobby, and sometimes that's exactly what a camera should do. Coming in number 1, Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 is the kind of camera that makes photography feel approachable without feeling limited. Designed for beginners, content creators, and enthusiasts alike, it delivers impressive performance while keeping the learning curve refreshingly manageable. At its heart is a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor paired with Canon's Digic X processor, producing sharp images with vibrant colors and excellent detail. The 6K oversampled 4K video looks remarkably clean, while Full HD at 120 FPS opens the door to smooth slow-motion footage. Whether shooting photos or video, the dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is a standout feature. It tracks people, animals, and vehicles with confidence, keeping subjects locked in focus even when the scene gets busy. The lightweight body makes it easy to carry all day, and the fully articulating touchscreen is perfect for selfies, vlogging, and creative angles. Useful for creators, instantly shifting focus to objects held in front of the camera without awkward hunting. Perhaps the biggest surprise is the RFS 18 to 45mm kit lens. Often underestimated, it delivers sharp, pleasing results and is more capable than many expect for everyday photography. Battery life could be better, so carrying a spare is a smart move. Beyond that, the R50 gets a lot right. Easy to learn, fun to use, and capable of producing beautiful photos and videos straight away, it's one of the most compelling entry-level mirrorless cameras.